Hi guys, in this video tutorial we will learn how to change Facebook password. So click on Facebook and here you can see a profile option. Click on profile and navigate to the bottom, scroll down and you can see a option of setting and privacy. Click on setting and privacy, click on setting again. So once you will click on setting, so just check a password and security option, click on it and select another option. Here you can see a password option like change password. So once you will click change password, you will see a option like this. You will see interface to change your password, but the requirement is you have to need to know about the current password. If you forget your current password, you can once you how you can get it, you can simply click on the Gmail account which you have, all the password are registered. So once you will click on the Gmail account and here you can see a option of your Gmail account, simply click on security option. So once you will click on security, so navigate to the bottom and you will see a option of password manager. So password manager basically stores all your passwords which you have created account. So as you can see here, I have Facebook options, all the passwords are stored here. I have 6 Facebook profiles and all passwords are stored here. So in this way you can recover your Facebook password through password manager. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure like, comments and subscribe my channel.